Look at this, guys. Look at this. Wow. Mm. Hey guys, here I'm making some loaded cheese chicken potatoes. And I'm gonna show you when I finish cooking these, okay? We'll go start doing that. Guys, here I'm gonna add some oil to these potatoes. And I'm using some coconut oil today. Yes. Also gonna do some seasoning to season this up. This is gonna be so much. I'm just getting the seasoning and the oil well incorporated. Then I'm gonna put this on the stove top and I'm gonna cover it and let it cook. Okay? And then I'm gonna come back and incorporate all the other ingredients and let it see. What this meal is about, guys, is a one pot. Look how beautiful that is. That's some seasoned potatoes, right? Here, I'll add some, this chicken, I have some bell pepper, some onion, and oil. As you can see how beautiful it is. And to this I'm gonna add some so nice. The aroma in this kitchen, guys, is just everything. This is perfection. This is so nice. You would love to have some of my dinner today, guys. Today is Friday. Yeah. Takeout has nothing on me. Never. So sometimes I just get done with my own kitchen, okay? I'm just combining the potatoes with the chicken. Guys, this is so amazing. The chicken was done in coconut oil, as I said before. So, oh my god, you can imagine the aroma of that. And the chicken, it was so well prepared, as you had seen, because I've showed you that part of the video also. So, I'm just combining this for a final touch. And this one pot, guys, is so amazing. So amazing. The aroma in this kitchen is everything. And to this, guys, I'm gonna top this off with some cheese. Just want to make sure the chicken is well incorporated, because when I'm serving it, I'm just gonna take from each part. So I'm just making sure the chicken is well incorporated, so that every spoon that I take up, it should be equally mixed in the chicken and the potatoes. So this, I'm just gonna top it off with some cheese now. This, guys, this is just everything. This is some 4-in-1 Mexican, guys. This is Monterey Jack cheddar, Cedero, and Quesadilla cheese. So, all Mexican, very nice. All Mexican and very, very nice. Ooh, guys, imagine this. So nice. And I'm making sure I coat everywhere with it. Everywhere is getting coated with this cheese. making sure that everywhere is well coated and nice. And to this, guys, I'm just gonna add some parsley flakes. You know, parsley flakes is just everything. Always let the cooking look very good. It's a very good garnish. And to tell you guys, this cheese is very easy to melt. It's very, very easy. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, guys, so here's the finished product. As you can see how lovely this is looking. And this is a one pot meal. Okay? And this is so delicious. So this is my Friday dinner. And I was saying takeout doesn't have anything on me. Now I'm gonna cut for it, guys, so you can see. I'm gonna take up some. Woo! So juicy. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So delicious. So delicious. Woo! Look at this, guys. Look at this. Wow.